Here's a payment I received to my PayPal account with this brand new website. With this website, guys, I'm going to show you how you can earn $500 in free PayPal money and you can get paid out instantly. Guys, there's 3 steps to make $500 to your PayPal account. The first step is I'm going to be revealing a brand new website that's going to pay you PayPal money instantly. Step number 2 is I'm going to show you how you can earn even more money with this website. So make sure you stick till the end of this video because I'm going to show you step by step how you can earn more money with this brand new website. And guys, if you stick till the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys a bonus. Step number 3, I'm going to give you access to my $1,000 per day system and how I make money on Autopilot. Guys, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how you can earn with PayPal, how you can earn with YouTube, with TikTok, a ton of videos like that. So if you want to learn more, please subscribe. The main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started with the video. All right, guys, so step number 1 is I'm going to be revealing the website. The website we're going to be revealing is cinchbucks.com. Okay, now stick with me, guys, because I'm going to show you how you can earn a lot of money with this website, and I'm going to show you some tips towards the end of this video on how you can earn even more money using other people. Okay. All right, so first of all, I'm just going to kind of show you what this website looks like. You can see here over 150,000 people are actively using this website, over $1 million in rewards redeemed since 2014. And if we scroll down here, you can see all the gift cards that we can redeem for, right? You can see PayPal, we can see Bitcoin, Google Play. Now, I know most of you watching this video want to redeem this for PayPal, so I'm going to show you exactly how we do that, okay? And then you can see here we have a review from Rachel. This website has been great. I don't have the security of a steady paycheck as a nurse, so it's a relief to be able to earn that extra cash from Cinch Bucks, okay? Really, really cool, guys. So all you got to do is just sign up here with your email password. Super easy. You can do that in a few seconds. And then we're going to get to the back end here, okay? This is what everything looks like. Now, like I said, I'm going to show you some quick ways to make money, and now I'm going to show you kind of the better ways to make a lot more money with this website here, okay? Now, right when you log in, it's going to take you to this back end here, okay? The first thing I want you guys to do is start filling out these surveys here, okay? And you see here that, you know, this one takes 15 minutes, this takes 8 minutes, 34 minutes. That's not really accurate. You can literally do these, like this one you can probably do in 2 or 3 minutes, this one probably a minute, this one probably 5 minutes. You can get these surveys done very, very quickly, okay? So what I recommend doing is going through this and start earning money right away, okay? Now, the next part of this, guys, is if you go to Offer Wall here, okay? So on the left here, if you click Offer Wall, it's going to take you to this website here. And then just click on Wanna Ads, okay? So with this, you're going to be able to basically do these offers and you know, basically earn even more money with Wanna Ads, okay? So if you look here, Amora Coffee, okay? If you order a free coffee, you're gonna get 300 Cinch Bucks here. And then if you do this survey here, you're gonna get 38, and then it just keeps going. So there's a ton of different offers that you can do, okay? Now I'm gonna show you a better way to make even more money with this website. If you go to this option here where it says play games, this one's really cool because it's gonna take you to this option here. And you can literally play these games and you're gonna make Cinch Bucks money, okay? And remember, all of these rewards you're making, you can redeem for PayPal or Bitcoin or you know, Amazon gift card, something like that, okay? But with this one right here, you can play pretty much any game you want, right? They have Guns and Bottles, they have Vortex, they have, it looks like Flappy Bird here, Chubby Birds, it looks like Blackjack. I love playing Blackjack, so you can literally make money by playing video games, okay? Now, these are all great ways, but I'm going to show you kind of a better way that you can leverage your friends or your friends and family or people on the internet to make even more money, okay? So if we go back, you're going to click this Refer and Earn here, okay? Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know I'm an affiliate marketer. I leverage other people to make money, and this is more of a passive income. Now, let me just show you. If you click this button here, it's going to take you to this website here, okay? Now, this is what's cool, okay? You're not only going to get money when they first sign up, you're actually going to get 20% of their earnings for life, okay? So let's just say you have a friend that earns 100 Cinch Bucks. You're going to get 20% of that. So you're gonna get 20 cinch bucks. Okay, so let's just say in the long run they were to make 1,000, 10,000 cinch bucks, you would get 20% of that earnings. Imagine if you had 100 people or 1,000 people, you make a lot more money that way by basically doing nothing. Now I'm going to show you how you get people to this link. Okay, so if someone clicks this link here and they buy, or I'm sorry, not buy, if they sign up for cinch bucks and start earning, then you actually get the 20% of their earnings. So I'm going to show you how to get people to this link here. Okay, so I want you to copy this link and I want you to go to Facebook. Okay, now when you go to Facebook, I want you to type in make money online. Okay, and then I want you to go to groups here. Now there's a ton of different groups here where you can go check out where people are basically congregating, and a lot of these people are looking to make money. Okay, now this group right here is a very large group, Make Money Online 2020. So if you click this group here, it's going to take you here. I think there was over 100,000 people in this group here. I was just on it earlier. Okay, but basically what I want you guys to do is start making posts. Okay, now I'm going to show you a free method, which is this Facebook group, and then after this I'm going to show you a paid method on how you can get people a lot faster. Okay, now inside of this group I saw this really good post here that you guys can kind of model. Okay, so I've made $2,000 in 24 hours with this app. Absolutely free, no banker card needed. If you're interested, drop your country name, right? So basically, all you're trying to get people to do is comment, and then you're going to do is message those people, and then you send them your cinch bucks link, okay? This link right here, okay? So if we go back here, you're going to go ahead, let me go back. I think there was another one that I saw that was really good. Had like 100 comments on it. Here's one right here. If you want to learn how to make $100 per day, type in the comment below info, right? So people will type in info, you go back in and you message those people, or you send them that link within the comments, okay? Now this is a great way to do it. Once you start making a little bit of money, what I recommend doing is putting it into some paid advertising, but I want to show you a super easy way to do this, okay? If you go to this website called Udemy, you can actually pay somebody to send traffic to that link, okay? Now here's the cool thing here, okay? You can actually, these people have like hundreds of thousands of people within their email list, okay? You can see here, I paid somebody to send me 150 people to my website, 150 people here. I paid this guy 500, or I paid this guy to send me 500 visitors to my website. So I'm paying a lot of money to get people to my website so I can make money with them, okay? So what you can do is go to this website, Udemy, go to find sellers here, and there's a ton of people that you can basically hire, okay? So what I like to do is look at the reviews, make sure they have a ton of likes in there, make sure they don't have any negative reviews. That way you can pretty much hire them and say, hey, send traffic to this link here, okay? Let's just say we want to hire, this guy here, okay? Only 40 cents per click. You want to click on this guy. I'll show you exactly what you need to do next, okay? So you just go click here to link only, okay? Because if you go to link only, they're actually going to create the email for you. You don't have to actually create an email. So let's just say we want to do, let's just say 100 people, okay? To get 100 people to go to that website, it'd be $43, right? Which in the long run, you're going to get paid off because people are going to your link. They're going to sign up for the surveys, and then you're going to get 20% of what they make, okay? So if I go back here, copy this link here, and then go back to Udemy. And all you gotta do is place the link, right? So here's my Cinch Bucks link, Cinch Bucks links here. All you gotta do is add to cart, buy it, and they're gonna send traffic to that link, okay? Now, this is a great way to make money, guys, but I have a better way that you can make a lot more money with this kind of method, okay? And that's with high ticket affiliate marketing. And this is my $1,000 per day autopilot system, okay? This is how I've been able to leave my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer and basically make 6 figures within the first 6 months of starting my business, okay? And let me just show you here, okay? This is called a high ticket commission structure, okay? So instead of sending people to this link here, where you're only going to make 20% of their commission, you want to have a high ticket commission structure, okay? This is how I make my money, guys. So I send people to a $7 offer, okay? Which is the one I recommend, guys, okay? This is the one linked down in the description. From there, you can go ahead and, they're going to say if you want to buy other products, there are $18, $47, $149, and then from there $2,500, and then up to $10,000, right? So you can see the power of high ticket commissions, right? It starts at $7 and then it goes up all the way to $10,000, okay? Now, if you want to tap into the system, guys, if you want to learn how to set up the system, how to get people to that system, and how to do this on autopilot, click the first link in the description down below, guys, and it's going to take you through a 15-day challenge that's going to show you how to do this on autopilot. This is how I was able to go from hating my 9-to-5 as an electrical engineer to starting a 6-figure affiliate marketing business, guys. Now, there's nothing wrong with doing these surveys here with CinchBucks. The only thing is you're not going to make a ton of money. You're going to have to be trading time for money. So I want to show you a better way. Click the link down below. I'm going to show you how to get started in 15 days and how to make $1,000 per day on autopilot. All right, guys, I hope this video was of value. I hope that you're able to make some money with this system. And let me know if you guys have any questions. Comment down below. Reach out to me on my Facebook group on YouTube. I try to stay active with you guys. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. We'll talk to you guys soon, and God bless.